Let's get you breaking details of that development. The LG of the National Capital, upon being asked on whether the government will run from jail, that question was posed by Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar. The LG responded to that and said that he can give this assurance that the government of the National Capital will not run from behind the bars. Listen.
टाइम्स नाउ के समिट पर आए हैं तो एक हेडलाइन तो बनती है। तो दिल्ली में इस वक्त जो हाल चल रहे हैं, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूं कि विल ऑल ऑफ अस बी बाईस्टैंडर्स? सरकार क्या जेल से चलेगी और क्या हम सब हेल्पलेस ही रहेंगे?
मैं दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर कर सकता हूं कि सरकार जेल से नहीं चलेगी।
Setri is joining us with more details. Setri, the LG is saying he can give this assurance कि सरकार ऐसे नहीं चलेगी। Setri?
Well, certainly this is a big statement that has come from LG, where he says that well, yes, certainly it is a big statement that is coming from Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena, where he has said recently that the government cannot be run from the jail, inside the jail, and in fact, Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that it will be Kejriwal who will be running the government from the jail itself. Remember that they also had run a campaign. Now we'll have to see that how this entire matter unfolds. Will the LG be approaching the president or saying that it is a constitutional crisis in the national capital? Because remember that today also BJP had demanded a discussion over the constitutional crisis going on in Delhi, in the Delhi Assembly itself. However, due to ruckus, this special session of Delhi Assembly just could last up only for 15 to 20 minutes, and then the session is adjourned for 1st of April. But we will have to see that how, after issuing two orders, one that is number one that was for water department, number two that was for health department, to ensure that proper adequate facilities of medicines and tests are being made available to the people of Delhi. This was in the second order. But now, what will be the third order about? Or will Kejriwal be issuing even the third order?
In fact,
or will it be regarding the education, because water and health are the priority?
To intervene, to look into the matter and to take action. That's their demand. Thank you very much, Setri, for getting us the details.